Hi, I'm Dave from Alpha Power Cleaners, and I'm here today to talk to you about battery maintenance. It's important to do weekly checks on your batteries, otherwise you could get premature failure with your batteries, which is the most expensive part of your machine. When doing battery maintenance, it's important to use the correct PPE. Safety glasses, gloves, and also the deionized water in a jug. In terms of battery maintenance, batteries should be checked at least once a week, charged on a full cycle, and then topped up with deionized water if needed. On wet batteries, some batteries have a little basket inside. You top the water up to the bottom of that basket, and some other batteries you can just see the plates, the lead plates of the batteries. You top up to 10 mil above that lead plate. Overfilling of the batteries can cause damage to the machine, damage to the environment, and reduce the lifetime of the batteries. Some machines have an autofill. These machines have a little white float sitting inside on top of the battery. When that float is at the bottom of the sight glass on top of the battery, it means that you need topping up. These will use an adapter that goes onto your autofill pump for your deionized water. Once the floats come to the top, the batteries are full and you're clear to go.